this one. Okay, so pitch is kept on fret number 1 and we're playing it in G. So the chords are G, A minor, E minor. Alright, so G is 3-2 open, open, 3-3. A minor is open, open, 2-2-1 open, and then E minor is open, 2-2 open, open, open. That is your verse. Okay, so the beginner player can just strum this. Okay, so that's your verse. I thought it'd feel different playing Wembley. So you play that twice. This is now the third time. Okay, so you play that 3 times, and then the 4th time you change to C, D, and then E minor. So C is open, 3-2 open, 1 open. D is open, 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 2-3-2. E minor is open, 2-2 open, open, open. Okay. So that's the 4th time. So you play G, A minor, E minor 3 times. And then you get into the C, D, E minor once. And then right after that we get into na 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 na. So let's find the chords for that. Ain't it funny? C, and then D, E minor, G. So C, D. Alright, so that ain't it funny how you is the chords for that. Let me just give them to you in a bunch. Alright, so we have in sequence C, D, E minor, and then G. And then we're back to C, D, and then we're back to verse. Okay? No, actually that's not the verse. It must be the chorus. So that was pre-chorus. The first kiss, the first. Twice, 3 times, 4 times. Okay, so the 4th time it's G, A minor, C, and then D. Alright, and the other 3 times it's G, A minor, E minor, and then C. Alright, so the beginner player will strum that. Let's just play from the beginning. Intro is just G, and then we get into G, A minor, E minor, C. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. C, D, and then E minor. Right? G, A minor, E minor, C for the 2nd time. G, A minor, E minor, C the 3rd time, and then C, D, E minor, right? And we get into C to D, E minor, and then G. This is pre-chorus, and then C again, D, and then this is now the chorus. G, A minor, E minor, C. First drink, na 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 na. Alright, let's do the chorus again. So G, A minor, E minor, and then C. You play this 3 times. 2, G, A minor, E minor, C. That's the 3 time. That's the 3rd time. Just like that last part that I kept missing. C. Okay, so the last time it's G, G, A minor, C, and then D. And then we're already in that, which we're playing the chords from the verse. Okay, so this is now intermediate and advanced, and it's actually pretty simple. Even beginners can play this. So you're just holding the same chords G, A minor, and E minor, except you keep the 3rd string open. So you play. So G, A minor, E minor, C, right? And everything else is the same. You're gonna strum the other parts apart from the verse and the chorus. I can't wait to make 1,000,000 more FaceTimes. 1,000,000 more first times. So you can play this for D, which is C, cycle to frets 3 to 5.